Hi, I'm Ed Charbeneau, Microsoft MVP, and I want to show you a GitHub Copilot tip that you can use in Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code. So I've heard developers say that they don't get accurate code generation when they're using GitHub Copilot in their editor. And what I've found out is that you can actually prompt engineer right inside of comments within your code. What I mean by that is I can come up to the top of my file. Here I'm in Program CS. And what I want to do is tell GitHub Copilot that all of my minimal APIs should follow a specific pattern, and that all minimal API routes should start with root API with an endpoint name. And that when I type in app.mapget, this is the pattern it should follow. Now, when I come down into my code and start writing minimal APIs, I can say that the following APIs fetch data from products, and that this will be my get categories API. Now, when I pause my cursor, you can see that I've already got a map get outlined here. And when I hit tab, I'll get an auto completion that has the correct route with categories, and it's even created a category object that I haven't written yet. And that's how you can use prompt engineering inside of your comments in any code file. If you like this GitHub Copilot tip and you want to learn more about using AI in software development, then check out the Full Stack Friday show at twitch.tv/codeit live.